We all know how important credit can be in our lives. It can affect our ability to qualify for purchases and our payments. But sometimes it's hard to understand why credit scores can go up and down. So here's a few steps that you can take to maintain a higher credit score. Number 1, make all your payments on time. I know it seems obvious, but it's important to know. I know you may not be planning on buying right away, but a late payment could hurt you later. Number 2, watch your balances in relation to your credit limit. Try to keep your balances within 30% of your credit limit. For example, if you have a $10,000 credit limit, try to keep your balance around $3,000. Number 3, don't pay off all your collections thinking it will improve your credit score. Please consult with me before paying off anything, and we'll strategize together. Number 4, don't allow any unnecessary credit inquiries. Every time your credit is pulled, your score could go down. Number 5, don't co-sign for anyone at any time. This can destroy your credit. If you ever need to co-sign for a friend or family member, please consult with me first. If you ever have any questions about credit or being pre-approved, please call me. I'm always happy to help. Have a great day.